Chapter 25, Section 1, Introduction. The Great Depression in the United States led to a worldwide depression. This depression, and the effects of World War I, had left the German economy in tatters. In the 1930s, a German dictator, Adolf Hitler, took advantage of Germany's troubles to stir up German nationalism. He rearmed the country, violating the Treaty of Versailles, and began to threaten his neighbors. In 1936, German troops occupied the Rhineland, a German region on the border with France. Although the Versailles Treaty banned military activities in this region, the League of Nations did nothing in response. 2 years later, Hitler demanded that the Sudetenland, a German-speaking region of Czechoslovakia, be turned over to Germany. At this point, many Europeans feared that Hitler was pushing Europe toward war. France and Great Britain still bore the scars of World War I and would go to great lengths to prevent another conflict. In September 1938, British Prime Minister Neville Chamberlain flew to Germany to talk with Hitler. At the meeting, Chamberlain asked Hitler if he would be satisfied with the Sudetenland and leave the rest of Czechoslovakia alone. Hitler convinced Chamberlain that his aims were peaceful and that he had no desire to control other countries. France and Britain distrusted Hitler, yet they'd already decided on a policy of appeasement, yielding to an enemy's demands in order to maintain peace. Germany would get the Sudetenland, despite Czechoslovakia's objections. Chamberlain told the British people that it did not make sense to go to war over such a small territory. If we have to fight, it must be on larger issues than that, he said. Chamberlain and Hitler then worked out the details of what became known as the Munich Pact. Together with the leaders of France and Italy, they signed the agreement in Munich, Germany on September 29, 1938. Chamberlain flew home with doubts about the pact, but he also had hope.